Young man.
I'm not a man, excuse you.
Y'all the little girls I was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
Bitch, get the fuck out of here. Don't start with this bullshit.
Do you think you can take my boyfriend from me?
Yeah.
Got these niggas going crazy.
Still say I got some minutes, so I'm gonna go on here and do a starting beef video again. And yeah, y'all told me to do another video like this with my wig on, with the wig I just made on. I don't know why. I actually did record one, but I deleted it because I didn't have no space in my camera, and I was like, fuck it, and I just deleted it. I need to stop doing that. But yeah, let's get right into the video. They Wi-Fi fucking up. Why don't y'all keep stop snitching on me, y'all? Let me talk about just y'all friends before y'all snitch on me. Damn. You look like the girl that was on here talking to my boyfriend. Hello, bald head heifer. Hello, I'm talking to you. She was gonna cuss my ass the fuck out. Y'all, I'm just playing though, but I ain't just playing. Y'all be taking me too fucking serious. I'm just playing. Everybody keeps snitching on me.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up? You look like you was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
Huh?
You was talking to my boyfriend on this app?
No.
I could have sworn I just seen that ugly ass hat on my boyfriend's phone.
Ugly ass head.
Yeah, the one on your head.
Oh, really? Yeah, the one on my head.
Yeah, the dusty one on your head.
Nah, bro.
If you gonna talk to my boyfriend, stand on what you did, period.
I have a whole ass boyfriend though.
Well, fuck with him then. Don't speak to mine.
Well, I don't even know what the fucking boyfriend is.
You were just talking to him on this app.
You fucking tripping, girl.
So you want to talk to Benjamin on this app?
You tripping.
You tripping.
How am I tripping? My man is right here.
And your teeth set tripping. Where's your boyfriend at? Let me talk to him.
Literally right here.
So he will talk to my boyfriend too. He go both ways?
Oh, so now you want to talk to my boyfriend? Oh, hell no, you fucking tripping.
Oh, hell no. Wait there to cuss me out, shit.
Hey, girl,
You look like, no, Peaches. You look like the girl that was just talking to my boyfriend on this app. You at time. You look like the girl that was talking to my boyfriend on this app. Show raggedy ass. You think you can take my boyfriend from me? You see me? You think you fucking with me? You think you fucking with me? Yo ugly ass. Bitch, you look like Peaches. You look like Peaches. And you look broke as hell. Yo dusty ass, you little hood rat.
Where is your boyfriend at?
He was just talking on this app to you. He screenshotted you.
Okay, so what's the...
And I came on here looking for you and I found you, period.
Okay, so what you mad? You
With all that dandruff in your hair. Like, what is you talking about?
Girl, you need to do your fucking hair. Your fat nose ass.
I know you ain't talking about, bitch, your hair doesn't pass your ears. Your hair doesn't even pass your ears. Get your length up. Get your length up.
It's like a beaver. You bogus as hell. Your fat bottom lip ass. Where's your neck at? You bogus as hell. Girl, only thing...
What them eye boogers in your damn eye? I know you ain't talking, bitch. You didn't even wash your face this morning. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
Oh, God.
Yo, I think I'm going too hard. I need to calm it down a little bit. Bring it down. Because you know these sensitive ass people on YouTube gonna come for you, so. Oh, wait, is my shit recording or not? Bitch, I'm hella mad. I didn't get none of that on fucking camera. I'm finna lose my fucking marbles, bitch.
I am so freaking pissed. I'm gonna have BF.
I'm finna lose my motherfucking marbles, bitch.
She's gonna have a bitch fit.
Damn, y'all couldn't even see the bitch. I didn't cuss them bitches out for no fucking reason and y'all couldn't even fucking see it. It's hella annoying, bro. Apple need to get their shit together. Who the fuck told y'all to cut off my fucking screen recording? Y'all hella annoying. Like, dang homies. Like, no bullshit. Y'all just pissed me the fuck off. Like, what the fuck? That was good ass fucking footage, bitch. I would throw this bitch at the fucking wall, but I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not even gonna do it. 3. I gotta cut some more people out.
Hey.
You look like the girl that was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
Who?
Her right here with them bees in her head.
Me? Or her?
Y'all on here together.
No.
You look like the girl that just talked to my boyfriend on this app.
What?
I said that shit loud and clear. Y'all heard me.
I did.
Girl, so petty, y'all. This shit is comedy. I don't give a fuck.
You look pretty.
Girl, don't ever stick your middle finger up at me with your little bad ass.
You like pussy?
Y'all is bad. Y'all is bad. Y'all is bad as hell. You look like the girl that was on here talking to my boyfriend on this app 5 minutes ago. That was you. Be upset they cut that shit off. Young man, get your ass at the camera.
You're texting me last night, so you're playing with me, huh?
Yeah, what's up, girl? What's your name? Ooh, you look angry, shawty. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Hello.
You look like the girl that was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
No, probably not me. I like females, I don't like dick.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Well, excuse me!
Oh, y'all the little girls that was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
Oh no, we're just girls. Wait, I'm confused.
No, that was you. Oh no, we're just girls. The hell are you talking about? Chicken Little. She a little ass girl.
Hi.
Y'all the little girls that was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
What? We just got this app. Yeah, this is our first person to talk to. This is not our phone, actually. It's hers.
The fuck is she doing? I'm really mad they cut my shit off. Now I don't even fucking record on me. Oh, you're the girl that was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
Stop playing.
I ain't playing with you.
Oh, that's my lady. Hi.
Young man.
I'm not a man. Excuse you.
Well, excuse me. Shit.
What the fuck is she looking like that?
Bitch. You so lucky. Like, what the fuck you got the camera on the shower for? Like, what the fuck? These people trying me, bitch. Young man.
Oh, man. Thought ass bitch.
Your mama, bitch. The fuck? You gonna say that shit when there's one more second? Put your face in the camera, bitch.
I don't get camera, bitch.
Your scary ass. That's what the fuck I thought. You see how I caught her ass real quick? I pushed that type of hella fast, bitch. Don't play with me. Don't try to do that little 1 second left saying words shit. Fuck. Saying words when it's 1 second left, bitch. Stop playing. What the hell you giggling at? Your earphones broke. You need to take them out. Got it sound like you in a damn factory.
You have some pretty hair.
Y'all the little girls I was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
Bitch, get the fuck out of here. Don't start with this bullshit. That's like your hair on that. Mine is natural, bitch. Don't do that. Yo.
First of all, bitch. First of all, bitch. Y'all the girls I was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
She's so pretty. Yes, we did.
Yo, ugly ass. You think you can take my boyfriend from me?
Yeah.
You ain't fucking with me, bitch.
You wanted to fuck.
They bobo. They bobo, baby mamas.
Hey, girl.
Oh, you the girl that was talking to my boyfriend on this app. What? Say it louder for me.
Yep, I was.
I ain't hear you, bitch. Put your face in the camera, bitch. You scary bitch.
Suck my dick.
Oh, y'all the little girls I was talking to my boyfriend on this app.
Huh?
Y'all was talking to my boyfriend on this app. You heard me loud and clear.
Yeah.
Get your little ass off this app.
Hi.
You look like the girl I was just talking to my boyfriend on this app.
What?
You was talking to my boyfriend on this app. You heard me.
I don't know who that is.
You was talking to him on this app. Of course you don't know him, but see him again and see what happened. Your white ass. The hell you talking to? Yeah, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video because just not putting that face in the camera getting on my nerves. So yeah, comment and subscribe. Leave different suggestions down below. I'm gonna keep making these videos because y'all love these, and I'm hella mad the fucking screen recording didn't want to fucking record, but it's cool. You feel me? It's all right. We'll get it right next time. So I'm sorry for the beginning, but and that was the best fucking reactions I got in the beginning. Like, that's hella annoying. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, little Jayla, gotta blast.
Like a movie. Ay, stop talking like you knew me. Bitch, you don't know me. Bitch, we ain't homies. And I got niggas still shooting like Ginobili. Hey, bitch, I'm a ball like I'm Kobe.